In the previous lesson, we talked about building packages in Java. We learned what packages are. In this video, we will create our own package. For example, let's create a package to connect to a database. I give a name to the package. I create a class to connect to a SQL server in the package. We will not connect to database in this video. In the upcoming lessons, we will start working with databases. I only explain packages with an example. I create a method. I add the println command to the method. I create another class to connect to Oracle database. I create a method. I add the println command to the method. Now let's learn how to use these packages. I need to import them to use the packages. I import the connect to Oracle class. I can create an object from the Oracle class using the new keyword. I can access the method in the class using the object. I only imported the Oracle class. I haven't imported the SQL Server class yet. When I call SQL Server, the class will be automatically imported. Let's test it now. As you can see, the automatic import process was done by the application. I create an object from the Oracle class using the new keyword. I can access the method in the class using the object. In this video, we learned how to create and use packages. I recommend you to watch other Java tutorials.